We are a collaborative group of people from all walks of life and multi-geographic locations with a single goal: to ease Sydney public transport congestion. My name is Kamal Habibullah and I'm the Project Director for the Sydney Growth Trains project.
I'm a point of contact for our client and spend most days liaising with our team. I'm Laura and I'm the Deputy Project Director.
My name is Michael Bruce. I'm the General Manager of Product Introduction on the SGT project.
My name is Jared Kennedy and I am a Test Engineer on the Sydney Growth Trains project.
My name is David Wrightson and I'm a Vehicle Builder at Cardiff, Down.
My name is Jackson Harvey and I am an electrician at Down at Cardiff.
My name is Joel Neal and I'm a team leader. Working on the SGT fleet is a massive part for us. You get to see all the network increase around the Sydney networks, helping Sydney to develop into a major city and also helping Newcastle develop to be part of Sydney.
I feel like I'm involved in something bigger to help the community and get the people to work, I suppose.
Sometimes my family and friends catch these trains in service and they send me photos of them on the trains, and then I know from the car number that I was part of the testing and commissioning process and supporting these trains.
I definitely feel like I'm part of a bigger group within Downer on this project. We have the good fortune to tap into a lot of other areas within Downer.
Without the level of commitment that each and every person shows every day, I don't think the project would be such a success. Every individual who works and worked on the project has a level of ownership which I think is personal to them, and that's incredibly fulfilling for a manager to see.
I think without the team spirit, we wouldn't have got to where we've got to. There's a lot of people who, for one reason or another, love a challenge, love getting those requests we put to them to meet these deliverables, and always go about it with a sense of pride.
There is something very satisfying in achieving targets under pressure and knowing that you've survived the process.
This project's success is a people story as much as it is about high-tech passenger trains. Hitting all the deadlines and exceeding the customer's expectation just gives you a lot of pride in the job that we do here.
Yeah, I don't get bored with it. It's something new pretty much almost every day it's something new.
I actually enjoy coming to work and look forward to working with these guys.
This is something that I think we've probably brought to the next level as far as delivery.
The work ethic, the late nights and not wanting to let each other down is so valuable. I'm aware of how vital this is and how fortunate I am to be leading a team of like-minded people.